You're going to need a wooden spoon, or you're going to need a steel spoon. You will need measuring spoons and cups, a metal strainer, tongs and oven mitts, and an outdoor grill in a safe place to have a fire. Please don't use any plastic in this recipe because things are hot and you will melt them. Alright, moving on to the process. I've chopped the bacon and now I'm rendering it down in its own fat in my stainless steel pot over medium to high heat. Now I'm going to keep stirring this to prevent sticking. And don't walk away because this requires your constant attention. And it's going to be hot, so be careful. Now once it starts to brown, you can reduce your heat to low because the hot fat will continue cooking. You want to keep stirring it until it's golden brown and then carefully strain off the hot fat. And that's why I recommend using the second pot for this, because it gives you that larger surface area when pouring off this hot liquid.